Every morning you wake up tired, and you whisper to yourself, tonight will be different, but it never is. Not because you're lazy, not because you lack discipline, because nobody ever taught you what actually happens inside your body at night. Sleep is not automatic recovery. Recovery is a process, and that process starts hours before your head touches the pillow. Fix your nights, and your mornings stop fighting you. Let's break this down. No food 2 to 3 hours before bed. Late night eating feels harmless. It's not. The second you eat, your body switches into digestion mode. Blood moves to your stomach. Your core temperature rises. Your system turns on. But deep sleep requires the opposite. Cooler body, slower heart rate, full shutdown. If you eat before bed, your body doesn't rest. It works. And when your body works, it cannot repair. So you wake up tired, not because you didn't sleep long enough, but because you never truly recovered. Give yourself a 2 to 3 hour gap. Let your system power down naturally. Recovery only happens when digestion stops. Reduce blue light at night. Your brain has one mission: release melatonin, shut you down, start healing. But every scroll, every reel, every bright screen is telling your brain, it's still daytime. Melatonin doesn't release in light. That's biology. No melatonin equals no deep sleep. You don't have a sleep problem. You have a signal problem. So fix the signal. 1 hour before bed. Dim the lights, turn on night mode or better. No screens at all give your brain darkness. Darkness triggers repair. Warm shower plus basic skincare. A warm shower isn't comfort. It's science. Warm water pulls blood to your skin. The moment you step out, your core temperature drops. That drop tells your brain, the day is over. Sleep mode activates. And your skin? It enters full repair mode at night. Collagen rebuilds. Damage reverses. Cells regenerate. But only if you give it something to work with. 10 minutes. That's the price. This isn't vanity. It's discipline with self-respect. Review today. Plan tomorrow. Most people end the day and carry it into the next. No reflection. No correction. Just repetition. Your brain does not learn from experience alone. It learns from evaluated experience. So every night, write down what you did right, what you did wrong, what you will improve, then write your top 3 priorities for tomorrow. Not 10, 3. When you wake up, there's no confusion, no mental clutter, no overthinking, just direction. And when your mind is clear, sleep goes deeper. Fixed sleep time? Non-negotiable. Your body runs on a biological clock. It's called your circadian rhythm, and it thrives on consistency. Sleep at random times. You confuse your brain. It never knows when to release melatonin, when to shut down, when to repair. Pick one time. Stick to it. Every single night. No, just this once. No weekend excuses. Within days, your body will start shutting down automatically. That's when sleep becomes effortless. Here's the truth. Most people will watch this, feel motivated, and change nothing. But a small percentage will apply this tonight. That decision, right now, is what separates exhaustion from energy. If you're serious about changing your mornings, you start by mastering your nights. Transformation doesn't begin when you wake up. It begins when you decide how you go to sleep. Now the question is simple. Are you actually ready? Because tonight, you either repeat the cycle or you break it.